Hello, welcome to Inner GPS Gurus. What are the best ways to please a woman who is your girlfriend, wife or partner? The best ways to please a woman who is your girlfriend, wife or partner is to add value to her life in unlimited ways. Adding objects to her life will give her pleasure, which is temporary, but when you will add value to her life in such a way that she becomes valuable, it will give her the permanent happiness of being the one who is precious and independent enough that she is not dependent on you for anything. If you can provide her the required freedom to be an individual who is confident, who is radiant and who is operating from abundance, you are adding the highest value to her life. If you focus on your manly qualities and let her focus on her feminine qualities, you are adding direct value to her because you are enabling her to be herself and not become someone else. The Shiva energy in you will flourish more when your partner, wife or girlfriend is a Shakti energy. When the feminine traits of your female partner are prominent, then only your manly traits will grow. To understand this aspect and dimension of energy in you, you have to go deep in your existential reality and you will know that you are in a male form, primarily radiating through the Shiva energy, and the Shiva energy has certain characteristics or traits which is complementary to the Shakti energy. If you are wanting the best female partner, then you must focus on your life and become the one who is valuable independently. When you become total and complete, your female partner will get the required radiance from you and you will not have to add objects to her life in materialistic way only. Being a manly partner is a boon to a woman, and the thirst of each woman is to find the man who is having the most manly character and is radiating from a powerful source of energy. If you want to please a woman, you cannot please her by listening to her every demands. If you keep on fulfilling her demands, then over a period of time, she loses interest in you and she starts taking you for granted. This is the mistake which most men do in the pursuit of pleasing a woman. A woman is attracted by the man who is focused on his life and instinctively they are distracted from the man who is consistently trying to please her, woo her, seduce her, because a woman gets bored too often and too easily. It is not a simple task to understand how women and their mind functions until you know the inner GPS working in them. In order to know the inner GPS functioning in a woman, you need to know your inner GPS. When you understand how your inner GPS functions, you can learn the art of reading the inner GPS of the women in your life, and this will help you to coordinate with her in a more profound and powerful way than becoming a tamed boyfriend, husband or partner in her life. The success of a family depends on how the male partner is playing the lead role in the relationship and not otherwise. Women flourish more in their feminine traits, in their supportive and submissive role. The lead has to be taken by the man. By leading your life, you are putting an example of a leader, and that leader is attractive to a woman. If you study women, you will come to know that in the history of human evolution, all the successful men in the world had a submissive partner, and that submissive partner, surrendered partner, was never known to the external world. The feminine trait of a woman goes to its peak when she is submissive to a man, and in that submissiveness her glory grows. The most celebrated queens in the history of human civilization were submissive to their kings. The king was the leader in her life, and she was happy being a follower of her husband. You will say that these kind of women are not available nowadays. It is somewhat true, but the other part of the truth is that men are no more like the kings. Instead of focusing on her, if you focus on your life and if you focus more on becoming an extraordinary person who is confident and powerful and free to take his decisions, you will attract more women in the world, and you will know the secret of attracting women who could be your best life partner, your best companion, and who will listen to you to facilitate your journey of success in your career, in your life, and make you evolve as a man. Physical intimacy is one part of the relationship. It constitutes only 1% of your total relationship with a woman. 99% of your relationship with a woman depends on what value you are adding to her as a human being, as an integrated man, as an empowered man, displaying your manly qualities all the time. You cannot play a victim in front of a woman to make her your wife or a life partner forever. Women have the sixth sense to know who is a coward and who is a brave man. You may flaunt your manly qualities by displaying some external activities, but the sixth sense of a woman knows who is the man who can hold her, be with her for a longer duration of time. A woman may spend time with a man who is friendly, who listens to her, who spends time with her for fun and her entertainment. But if you want to be with a woman for a lifetime, then you need some additional qualities. You will find your female partner when your inner GPS will guide you. But in the meantime, you can explore life by meeting different women and testing yourself how well you are able to know about her. To learn this art of knowing about a woman, you can connect to me. I will teach you how to follow your inner GPS and how you can read and help her follow her inner GPS. Man is meant to explore the possibilities, and when a female finds that man, she is automatically attracted to him, like the iron gets attracted to the magnet. You will create and develop the magnetic attraction in you, and you do not have to seek for a female partner to complete the relationship area of your life. Naturally, women will draw towards you and you will experience the magic of focusing on yourself. A female is a mystery, and you can solve this mystery only by increasing your potential as a man and your intelligence. You can tap the intelligence of Shiva in you by focusing on how your inner GPS signals at different times when you meet a woman. If you meet a woman with manly traits, your inner GPS will not show any attraction towards her. On the other hand, if you meet a female with some good, positive feminine traits, naturally your inner GPS will show attraction towards her. This is the first signal to know which women can be suitable for you, and the further steps will follow once you take the first step. For knowing other steps and the secrets of how inner GPS can help you being the most demanding male in the world who is attracting women, and how you can please women to get your life partner, you can connect to me for a personal coaching where I will teach you the secrets and the art of pleasing a woman by adding value to her. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.